Welcome to HealthCare Plus Weight Loss Diet Program. Low-carb foods. Knowing what foods are low-carb. Low-carb foods include are 1. Lean meats, such as sirloin, chicken breast, or pork. 2. Fish. 3. Eggs. 4. Leafy green vegetables. 5. Cauliflower and broccoli. 6. Nuts and seeds, including nut butter. 7. Oils such as coconut oil, olive oil, and rapeseed oil. 8. Some fruit, such as apples, blueberries and strawberries. 9. Unsweetened dairy products including plain whole milk and plain Greek yogurt. If you want to lose 10 lbs weight within 1 week, please below check link in descriptions. If you want more about low-carb diet, please subscribe my channel.